If your air conditioning unit is acting up, testing the dual-run capacitor correctly will tell you whether the compressor side or the fan side is failing. Start by turning off power at the disconnect and the breaker and discharge the capacitor with an insulated screwdriver held across the terminals while wearing insulated gloves. Remove the cover and identify the 3 terminals labeled hermetic, or herm, fan, and common. Then set a digital multimeter to capacitance if available, or to ohms for a basic test. For the compressor side, place one lead on common and the other on hermetic and note the reading. For the fan side, place one lead on common and the other on fan and record that reading. Compare each reading to the capacitance value printed on the capacitor can, allowing a tolerance of plus or minus 5% unless the manufacturer states otherwise. If the capacitor reads significantly lower than the labeled value or shows no charge on either test, it needs replacement because a weak capacitor can still pass some tests but fail under load. Always replace the capacitor with an equivalent or better rated part matching microfarad and voltage ratings, and observe polarity only for polarized types. Then recheck system voltages after installation to confirm the compressor draws expected run current and the condenser fan spins normally. Common mistakes include not fully discharging the capacitor before testing, which can damage your meter and give false readings. So always short the terminals with an insulated tool while powered off and wear protective equipment. Another frequent issue is using the wrong test method. A capacitance meter gives reliable results, while a simple resistance check can be misleading, so use a meter with a capacitance function or remove the capacitor for bench testing. People also compare readings to worn or incorrect specifications, so always read the microfarad and voltage printed on the capacitor and use that as your reference and replace with a matching value when out of range. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to give contractors a place to find work that matches their skills. On our site, we also host a discussion community where members share diagnostics, tips, and real-world experiences so you can learn from others dealing with the same issues.